The former Marine charged with killing a man using a chokehold on a New York City subway will likely find out today when his manslaughter trial starts. Daniel Penny says he was protecting passengers last year when he put Jordan Neely into that deadly chokehold. Penny's lawyer now saying there are similarities between his client's case and a subway shooting death just last week. You might remember that story. A passenger shot a fellow rider with his own gun. That passenger is not charged. Dre Clark has more from New York. Dre, do you think we could see Penny appear in court today?
Yeah, good morning to you, Marquis. We are expecting to see Daniel Penny inside the courtroom this morning. It should be a fairly quick hearing, but when it's over, Penny should leave the courthouse here behind me, knowing when he will stand trial on those criminally negligent and second-degree manslaughter charges. Now, as you said a moment ago, Penny is accused of killing Jordan Neely on board a New York City subway train last May. Cell phone footage showed Penny placing Neely in a prolonged chokehold until he stopped moving and breathing. Penny said Neely boarded the train angry, talking to himself, and he started threatening passengers on the train. So he stepped in to help and restrain Neely. He later pleaded not guilty after being charged. Now, meanwhile, subway crime is actually up 13% so far this year, with stabbings, shootings, or bloody fights happening too frequently. 4 people have been killed in the subway system so far this year. In fact, the problem is so bad, New York's Governor Kathy Hochul recently ordered the National Guard to help provide security in the city's subway system after that recent string of violent crimes. Last week, as you also noted, a fight between 2 men on a subway train in Brooklyn ended with one of the men being shot to death as passengers ran for cover. The shooter has not been charged because investigators say cell phone video shows he acted in self-defense. Now, Daniel Penny's attorneys say his client should be given the same consideration because the cases are similar. He maintains that Penny also acted in self-defense when he grabbed Jordan Neely on board that train. However, Jordan Neely's family say it is a clear-cut case of murder. Meanwhile, Daniel Penny faces the possibility of doing 20 years in prison if, in fact, he's convicted. Marquis?
All right, Dre Clark, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.